Hello. Hi. Hi, everyone. I was trying to get in the spirit there. Whew, it was dark in there. How are you guys? I'm going to show you guys how to make a Yoda craft. Isn't he cute? Okay. We are going to make a little Yoda craft. It's not going to take long. It's not going to be difficult. We got this. It's just the cutest little craft. Let me show you. Simple. Easy peasy. Right, everybody? Okay. So, you're going to come pick up your kit as you stroll around the library and see our cool May 4th Star Wars Day decorations. Okay, in your kit you will have a green paper plate, a googly eyes, popsicle stick, and one piece or two of green paper for his ears and a Yoda ear template so that you'll be able to cut those out, okay? All right, let's get started. The things that you'll need from home are, we're gonna use tape, glue. You're probably going to need this kind of glue, but whatever glue you've got, feel free to use it. You'll need a pencil and markers. Now, I have not done this craft ahead of time, so I'm not sure if washable markers will work or if we'll need a permanent. That is why I have both. It's like an experiment. We're gonna do this together. And you will also need a pair of scissors. Okay, that's it. Cleanup should be pretty easy, everybody. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to take this Yoda ear template and cut it out. Okay, you're going to follow the black outline and just cut it out. I have pre-done this, so mine is cut out already. You're cutting it out because you're going to use this to trace onto the green paper. You're going to make two of them. So you're just going to set it onto the green paper and trace it. Very careful. Keep your finger along it because it is paper, so it's pretty thin. And trace it. There you go. Traced. You're going to do that. You need two of these because, well, he has two ears. Okay, so traced. I was originally going to have you cut two at the same time, but this is really thick. It's poster board, so it's really thick. I don't know if you'll be able to cut two at a time. If you can, go for it. I already had one cut ahead of time, and now we will take our scissors very carefully and cut the second one. Okay, so you're going to cut out your two ears, and there we go. Cut them out. So what's nice if you were able to cut them out at the same time is not only getting them both cut out at the same time, saves you in cutting time, but they'd be exactly the same. But that's not a huge deal, okay? So put my scissors down. Now I have two Yoda ears. All right, there we go. Now we're gonna take our paper plate. We are going to glue the ears onto the back of the paper plate. So when you traced it, sometimes when you cut it, you don't cut all the tracing marks out. So totally up to you. I'm gonna make sure that I put it so that the trace marks are facing back so that when I look at Yoda, I don't see that. All right. So, and I'm not gonna use glue. This is why I brought the tape. I am going to use tape. And I am putting them right on like the edge, the very edge here. It fits perfectly. How cool is that? It's like it was made for that. I'm gonna tape them right to the edge there, okay? I mean, glue would work, but tape works faster, I guess. So I'm gonna use tape, okay? But like I said, glue will work. All right, taping my ears on, or not my ears, Yoda's ears. Taping Yoda's ears on. Got them. Okay. There we go. I probably just over taped. That's all right. And Yoda has ears. Oh, they're so cute. I might have stuck them up a little far. I think they're supposed to be sticking out a little bit more. I don't watch Star Wars, but I do think Yoda's adorable. Okay, now we're gonna put it this way. You might even have to stick tape to the front as well, or maybe that's why you should have glued it. Anyway, I'm just gonna stick some tape up front here. Because what happens is when it's laying this way, the ear, see how you can see? I just taped this one and it's holding, but this one's flopping. So I'm just gonna do that. Okay, but for the eyes, I'm gonna have to use glue, okay? And I'm gonna use this kind of glue because I've found that stick glue doesn't really hold googly eyes on very well. I'm just gonna put eyes where eyes go, usually on a face, okay? I'm gonna put some eyes, 2 googly eyes for Yoda, 1, 2, and there you go. Can you see them? All right, so the glue popped through because that's what glue does, but when it dries, when it dries, it goes clear, okay? This is where we are going to experiment. We're gonna see if washable markers will work on these kind of paper plates. I'm about to tell you. We're gonna draw a nose, and I'm gonna draw it like the picture. Okay? All right, so. Okay, it's not bubbling or anything, so I think it's gonna work. So we drew a nose, and now we're gonna draw a mouth, and there we go. We'll see in a couple minutes when this is dry if the washable really does work, okay? But there you go. Look at that. That is so cute. I really like this project. Easy and cute. Last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put it down this way. We're gonna take our popsicle stick, and again, I'm gonna use tape, and you're just going to tape the stick to the back, like so. Again, I'm gonna put lots of tape just because, well, you never know. And now I have a Yoda puppet. And I don't know the sound he makes, so I'm not even gonna try talking in his voice. But what I am going to say is, may the 4th be with you. Good joke. May the 4th be with you. That's what I'm going to say about Yoda. This is our Star Wars craft. I hope you guys have lots of fun. I hope when you come in, you have lots of fun looking at all our cool stuff. You can see our cool Yoda here, and see all the fun stuff that is displayed throughout the library. It's gonna be awesome. So come in, see our fun stuff, do the fun craft, and may the 4th be with you. All right, back to my darkness. You guys, bye. May the 4th be with you.